Hey guys, Heather here from Portland Volvo with a 2018 Volvo S60 T5 Inscription. This is in crystal white metallic with a soft beige interior. This all-wheel drive sedan has just over 32,000 miles on it. It has active bending headlights, 18-inch wheels, blind spot information system. There is a backup camera. This does have a sunroof, dual integrated tailpipes. You can pop open the trunk, see that there's plenty of space in the back, and there is a pass-through for larger items. I love the sloped back and the taillights on this. I think that style is super cool. With the Inscription trim level, you get the sunshades on the back windows, and these seats are so comfortable. This has the upgraded Harman and Kardon stereo system, memory seating for 3, This has heated steering, heated front seats, shows up there. This does have navigation, radio, media, so it has a CD player, connect to your phone, and then once you're in My Car, which is this button down here, if you select that, there's an absolute, and then you hit this OK button, an absolute treasure trove of customizable options. So under my S60, you can see some of those safety features. And then if you go down to settings, there are just a ton of different settings that you can make your own, choose your own, and create your very own Swedish sanctuary. All right, well, this is stock number 6098A. PortlandVolvo.com has all the information you need, and we hope to see you soon. Thank you so much for watching from Portland Volvo.